What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create email links and tooltips using HTML. Now first let's see how to create email link. To do that we put like this will all the other things remain the same. Inside the body we put a href equal mail to, and that should be within a quote mark, mail to. I put my email address, that is tiliban21@gmail.com. And then email Tiliban, and I close this one with /a, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and serve this one. File serve, and when I run this again, okay, here we go. Here it says email Tiliban, and when I click it's bringing my email address. This is basically tiliban21@gmail.com. That's the same channel name. Okay, channel name is coming because I created this email. I used this email to create my channel name. Okay, now let's see what happens if we just put without this mail to. If you just put the email address without this mail to, it doesn't work. Now let's see what happens. File serve, and let's run this again. And here we have email Tiliban. If I click this one, it's gonna show some error. Actually it's going nowhere because nothing is, if you just put the email address, it doesn't work. Okay, now that is it for this one. Now here we can do the web link also. For example, if we type google.com, for Google, like a websites, we don't have to put anything like mail to or something. We just type the website address, that is http://google.com and I put Google right here. And let's serve this one, serve, and let's run this. Okay, it shows Google, and if I click this one, it's going to bring me to the Google. Okay, and like this we can also add tooltips to this. Tooltips is basically when you click the link, like here you can see this one in the Google. If I bring the arrow to near to this, right now nothing is showing up, but if you add tooltips, whatever the message you type in, it's going to show up right here. Now let's type the tooltips, google.com, and to type the tooltips I put title right here, title, that is equal to awesome search engine. And file serve. Now let's run this, and if you click this, okay, not clicking this, if you bring the arrow to this, that's going to show the tooltips. Now you can see it shows awesome search engine. That's how we can add tooltips to a link. Now we have seen how to add link to a website, how to add a email link to a website, and also how to add tooltips to a website. And that's all in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn XHTML and CSS, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.